welcome to AIMS. We are going to continue the examination section. So if we go to publication, exams, and then publication and manage prints, here we are going to print mark sheets. So select the exam group, exam first term, class, playgroup, and section A, search. And if we go to, if we want to generate for the whole class, we can generate at once, or like we can do that for particularly individual students as well. So yeah, I'm going to select all of them, and here you need to select the template, what template you want to print or use for this exam. So first term exam, that's a template we have used. So here you can see the student picture, so university logo, that's the uh, name, father name, mother name, class. These are the uh, maximum marks of 10 marks. That's the percentage, that's the grade, and position passed in first division, and the subject remarks which has been given separately. Exam remarks will be showing here. So that's how you can print reports for individual students. So all of you can print them individually, or you can print them, generate them at once. If I go to select another template, so single exam, generate, it will generate in this format. So it's the template just changed, rest of the things are the same. If I'm going to select another template, generate, so they will be generated in this format. That's a template. So that's how we are generating the mark sheets. Thank you very much for watching.